Hello guys, so welcome to a new video from 545 Vlogs. So I'm here in Advait Hyundai in Bellanduru. So right in front of me is the SX variant of the 2020 Verna. The car is absolutely stunning in this fairy red color. So starting with the headlights, it gets a new headlight unit. You can see the DRLs are running through the sides and the top. You get a projector headlamp setup, also a cornering light. As a separate section you get the indicators as well. Overall the design has made it more sleeker. So that is what is new about the headlamps. Moving down to the bumpers, you can see the projector kind of fog lamps. Even the previous generation Vernas used to get the projector type. This one is housed in a different design. One of the major noticeable difference is the grille. The previous generation Vernas used to have a horizontally designed grille. Now it gets a chrome radiator grille. The dark element gives a chrome standout look. The 1.4 turbo version receives a glossy black grille. Coming to the bumpers, you can see a mesh kind of a design which is beautifully integrated. They have added a chrome element over the skid plate. On the bonnet they have added character lines which is very appealing. The side profile looks very similar to the previous generation Verna. The dimension of the car remains somewhat the same. Coming to the tires, it gets a 16-inch grey alloy. If you are buying a 1.4 turbo or a SX option variant, you will be getting a diamond cut alloy which looks much cooler. You get a disc brake in front which is standard. The tire profile is 195/55 R16. It gets gas suspension similar to the previous generation Vernas. It gets body colored ORVMs and an LED indicator which is carried over from the previous generations. Coming to the door handles, it gets a chrome finish. It adds to the premium look of the car. The rear tires get drum brake. If you are buying a turbo variant, you will be getting the disc brake in the rear as well. Coming to the back side, you can see the rear defoggers. And as always, you can see the Hyundai logo in the center. The major difference in the rear is the bumper section. On the taillights, you can see the new LED lines running. The lights are given in form of sections. You can also see the reverse light and indicator. You can see the SX badging on the right hand side. Coming to the bumpers, you can see a new design. I personally liked it. It kind of gives the car a sporty look. You can see some chrome element over the scuff plate and also around the reflectors. The exhaust is hidden inside. Just above the plates, you can see the rear view camera. It is very well concealed. You can see the chrome elements running along the windows. The SX variant also is equipped with a sunroof. You can also see the shark fin antenna which add to the style. You can also open the tailgate using the remote. Unfortunately, I do not have it with me now. You have the spacious boot storage. Under the boot storage, you get a spare wheel, which is steel of course, and the tire profile is 185/65 R15. So this is a little smaller than the alloys. The boot is very spacious. In fact, it can store up to more than 4 large trolley bags. The capacity is coming around 480 liters. Now coming inside, you can see the fully digital instrument cluster. You can see the RPM meter coming on the right hand side and the speedo is given on the left. Now this cluster gives lot more option to customize. You can adjust the light, the cluster themes and much more. Beside the instrument cluster, you can see the AC vent. Now the AC vent is similar to the previous Verna, but yeah, in the inside they have given a new insert kind of Now below that comes the beam adjustments. You can also adjust the brightness of the displays from here. Alongside you have the space to add additional switches. Now coming to the door panels, you have the settings for the ORVMs. The lock unlock button, the window locking button and the other window controls. Now below the panel there comes a storage space for the bottles. It can hold one large bottle and a small bottle depending on the size. You can also see the speakers as well. Now regarding the audio quality, we will see it soon. Yeah, so I do not have the keys with me inside, and that's why this alarm keeps going off. Now talking about the steering, it's leather wrapped. It feels really good while holding. You have the cruise control on the right side. You can also control the cluster from here. On the left side you have the options to control the infotainment, pick and reject calls, voice commands and much more. Coming to the dashboard, you can see the new 8-inch infotainment system as compared with the 7-inch that used to appear in the SX and the XX option variants. So this also features Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can also see the DRVM functionality, using which you can see through the rear camera even while driving. So this one is protruded outside and it is a lot more easier to access. Now we will test the audio quality by playing some radio channels.
More information, visit Devi International. Stay home, stay safe.
TNC apply.
Fit Start, India's biggest fitness sale is now live.
As you heard, the audio quality is good. You can also play with the equalizer to make it more suitable for you. Now below that comes the AC controls. It gets eco coating to eliminate all sort of odor from the AC. Below that you can see the two charging sockets and also a USB port. The new Verna also get the provision for wireless charging. You just need a phone that supports it. So what I'm sitting is a manual variant. You can see the reverse camera guidelines. You can see the twin cuppy holders, and below the armrest you have a storage space. The seats are two-way adjustable height and back. The seats are designed to give you good side support as well. In the SX option variant you also get ventilated seats, which is new in this segment. You get a cool glove box as well of decent size. Now we'll go to the rear and see how the passenger comfort is. The front seat was already pulled back to the maximum. You can fit in 3-finger. It's not the largest in terms of the leg space in this segment, but the thigh support is really good. You can also see two AC vents and also a charging port. You can see the center armrest cum cubby holder. The new addition is the sunshade. So another premium feature is the sunroof. The controls are near the dome lights. So the sunroof in the SX variant makes it value for money package. So that is what is new about the SX variant of the 2020 Verna. So thanks to the Advait Hyundai Bellanthuru for letting me do a walk around review of this car. So if you need any further clarifications regarding the variants or the price structure, you can contact them. I have provided their contacts.